Reiterlite. Laterite.
Parachute.
Parachute. I think Japanese same some parachute.
Parachute in Frisian is donderduildoekje.
Donde quién toquen yang?
Tissue.
Tissue. I know that.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. Japanese tissue.
Yeah, we call it a boesdoekje.
Bustukje.
A stork.
Stork. Straw.
We call it a jerrebara.
Yellabala. It's very different the pronunciation in Japanese, English, Fryske.
Dutch, so the language.
Dutch. Orandago.
We call it Nederlands.
Yeah, Netherlands.
The word flag.
In Japanese, the two-way, the flag, the same pronunciation, or hata.
In Frisian it doesn't change a lot. It's just vlag.
Vlag. Vlag.
Reserve.
Serve, so... Haizen.
We call it reserveer je.
Ferry. Ice skating. In Japanese is the same. Japanese ice skate.
Well, in Frisian we call it retenrieden.
Laterite.